winter turns to spring, and spring turns to summer, and the bare winter trees spring forth and open a green canopy of leaves. The natural process of changing seasons brings a beautiful certainty to life. Even just a few minutes spent basking and breathing in the natural beauty of the trees has an influential way of filling any day with a bit more wonder. Hello, friends. We are 4 life adventure buddies, best friends, mother and daughter, and 2 wonder pups on a journey to find, appreciate, and share daily wonders and joys with the world. We are transitioning from a lifestyle based in a regular house into a traveling tiny house RV. Everything in our life is changing right now, from where and how we are going to live to how we earn a living while pursuing our heart and soul dreams. While we certainly have a lot to do and a lot to figure out right now, we are adventurers, filmmakers, artists, dancers, teachers, and writers on a mission to share wonders with the world and with you. Join us as we find wonder amidst our busy days. With so much to do, there is still wonder and joy to be found.
On this summer day, the sun is shining, the sky is blue, and the air is fresh with the scent of blooming flowers. We return to one of our favorite city parks in Bellingham, Washington, Elizabeth Park. The trees are spectacular, the butterflies float from one blooming flower to another. It's a perfect afternoon for a bit of nature bathing.
The trees! This is Elizabeth Park. The park that we came to in early February to appreciate the winter trees. These are the trees that back in wintertime had no leaves, and we could just appreciate their raw beauty. Now they've blossomed with the most beautiful green leaves, and it's quite wondrous. It's wondrous remembering what they looked like then and what they look like now, and what they'll look like again in the future.
So wondrous, truly a wonderment, to see the change that a tree can go through in the seasons. We did the winter trees episode where we got to see the bare bones, the limbs, and the beauty in the tree structure itself. And now we're here in the park seeing the incredible foliage and how different the tree is in the summer, and how amazing that much growth can happen, that there's that much flux in biomass. It's just incredible.
It's a wonderment. When you're looking at leaves, how each one's a little bit different. Like each leaf is one of a kind. As one of a kind as each tree is to another tree. They're really beautiful to just pause and look at these leaves. They're beautiful.
By the beauty of your life, I have seen a miracle. I have seen a miracle.
These leaves are big. They're practically the size of my hand.
With you in the corner of my arm, I have seen a miracle. I have seen a miracle. The sun, it shines for you. The grass is green, the sky is blue, and there you are, like you are.
Now these are unique leaves. They're little ginkgo tree leaves. I think they have a really cool, like almost exotic look to them.
Darling, we'll guide you, but you find it.
We didn't have these leaves last winter. Really cool.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound is to me. I have seen a miracle.
Underneath the canopy of these trees, it's just so lovely. Being in the shade. Ah, wonderment. The shade of a leafy canopy of the tree. Look at the shapes. You can still see the branch shapes, but now they're filled in with the green leaves. It's beautiful.
Find your blue-eyed way, my darling, we'll guide you, but you find it on your
Shade on a summer day.
own. Farewell. By the beauty of your life.
Look at the size of this tree. I wonder how old they are.
Appreciating these trees fills the appreciator with wonder and curiosity. How old are these trees? What have these trees been witness to? If they spoke our language, what would these trees say? Perhaps if we just spend a bit more time with these trees, we may hear, see, and feel what they have to say in their own tree language. No matter the case, every time we leave a park filled with inspiring trees, we leave as happier people.
This tree behind me looks like it's been through some tough times. It's got some broken limbs, and I think it's a very old tree. We filmed it in the winter, and you would say, wow, it's so broken. What will become of it? And as you see it now in the summer, with all of its leaves, you say, wow, it's so resilient. I mean, it's incredibly resilient how a tree that's been busted out, you can see here, and it's still, there it is, there's the top of it. It's still looking beautiful.
I need to believe in you, like you believe in me, with eyes to see you through, untiring. You bought me a three-piece suit, painted every scene, but the fit was wrong and unflattering. We'll be strong and carry on. We'll be strong.
We are in the midst of getting ready to move into our tiny house and organizing stuff and moving stuff to
Packing
storage,
things, figuring out what goes away,
letting
what
things
we
go.
keep. We've been figuring out how the parking is going to happen with our tiny house and some of the final construction.
The different final construction plans, and so we've been so busy. But we came here to Elizabeth Park to breathe in the inspiring sweet energy of the trees and find wonder, and then share some simple wonderments with you. So
Because the wonder is that there's simple wonderments that you can find every day if you open your mind and your heart to find things that you appreciate.
and you don't have to go on a big trip or a big outing to find wonders to appreciate.
We have those coming in the future.
We have those coming in the future because we love to do big adventures. But you can also just go to a park for 15 minutes and find great wonder and joy and happiness and appreciating trees or simple wonderments or anything.
It's a beautiful day for a walk in the park.
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Sea Tree Wonders channel and ring the notification bell. We have lots of new video adventures coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Coming up, we will be saying our goodbyes to living in a big house as we get ready to become full-time tiny house RV travelers. Remember to let yourself feel the joy of wonder. A little bit of wonder makes any day a whole lot happier. Thank you for watching. See you next time for a new video adventure.
Nothing here can fill the space you left, can leave it in the past. 'Cause I'll carry on and I'll sing the song of the blue jay. Sing I'm holding on to yesterday, and yesterday has flown